Within the framework of Dual Plus, we have developed a prototype offer workshop for creative youngsters, which is a mixture of orientation and learning offers for young people interested in the professions in the field of art and design. 4 different offers were created, each with another thematic focus. Between November 2021 and May 2022, approximately 50 girls and boys aged 13 to 14 attended those workshops. To ensure the greatest possible practical relevance, the workshops are led by experienced professionals. We were able to win the Swiss artist and illustrator Matthias Forbach, who has already painted aeroplanes for the airline Swiss, for a 3-day workshop. Each workshop begins with an introduction to the topic, then the agenda is discussed and what should come out at the end of the workshop. The workshops are divided into modules, each lasting half a day. At the beginning of each module, the participants receive a new work instruction. The workshop leaders then regularly check the workshop and intervene to explain where necessary. In the process, the participants get to know job-specific design process and learn new methods and skills. At the end of each module, the work is presented within the group. The workshop leader gives the participants detailed feedback, and he always tries to make comparisons from his professional practice. The participants not only get to know their creative potential better, but can also use the work produced during the workshop in their application portfolio, and so improve their chances of finding an apprenticeship in the field of art and design. The workshops helped many participants to clarify their career aspirations. Some of the participants have decided on an apprenticeship in the field of art and design, and others have realized that they feel more comfortable in another professional field. Joint lunches with participants from vocational further education also made it possible for the young people to exchange views with other professionals. In the future, we would like to further expand the offer we have created and include more technical skills in order to give the young people insights into areas such as interaction design or game design. In doing so, we would like to further integrate partners from the area of vocational training who can benefit from our experience.